be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in their sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, I know it's been a while since I've done a full sneaker video, but I wanted to bring you all this one, man. I think these are pretty legit, and as you can probably see from the box, you know, I'm giving y'all a different view than what I normally do. Normally I'm in front of the camera, but here I wanted to just try something different. You know, for one of the full-fledged videos, I wanted to try it this way like I do my tech videos. But anyway, what you have here, as you all can probably tell, Big Roth is a proud member of the Lebron gang. All right, so these are the Nike Lebron 21 colorway photo blue laser fuchsia. All right, and the size, of course, is a 13.5. All right, was very excited to get these. I saw LeBron play in them, and I said, man, if they release those, I got to have them. And shortly after that, they had them with the release date on the Nike app. So here's the LeBron 21 box, if y'all haven't seen that before. All right, and you got your XX and the one there. Look at that. Look at that AEW belt. Beautiful, beautiful. It's not about that, but let's go ahead and open the box and get into it. And then you have your paper there. If y'all haven't seen the inside of the LeBron box, let me turn this around. There you go. That's how it opens up. And it's right there, and that's the paper. And then, boom, the regular white paper. And here we are. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this shoe, man. The Lebron 21. These are called the Lebron 21 Optimism. All right. I've also seen them just referred to as the multicolor LeBron 21s, but man, I think these are amazing. They're almost like a What the LeBron 21 with all these colors. Look at the details of this shoe, man. Look at everything. It's different materials back here. So there's like a suede in the back here, especially this kind of color here, this blue here, and then this kind of purple color there. That's like a different kind of suede. You got your 21 here. All right, there you see that 21. And then your Air Zoom here. All right. I like this way that they are doing kind of the later models of the LeBron 21, how the stitching that they have here, the pattern is on the outside. It's not buried under something. Like, so this is the first one here. This one is the very first LeBron 21 that was released, and this is nice too, don't get it wrong. You know what I'm saying? I think this one was very nice too, because it's not the shiny kind of material here. Like that blue pair that I had, that one has the shiny material going around the top there. And after a while, I kind of didn't like that, so I returned that shoe. But I like how this one isn't that shiny material, the shiny overlay on this one. All right. So yes, I've worn these. You know, I know sometimes people look at my channel like, man, shoes, you ain't even worn them. But I've worn these. You can see they're dirty on the bottom. But anyway, get that one to the side. These, man, I like. Actually, let me bring it back. If you so you can see the comparison. You see how you still have these lines and everything, but they're buried underneath an outer layer here. It's pretty much the exact same build, but this one has it more exposed. And like you can't even see the full swoosh here. You know what I mean? You can see, there's something covering it, but here it's exposed. I like how everything looks exposed. Something about that looks a lot cooler to me. Even though this one is nice too, but I like the exposed lines and everything. And I like how these colors just kind of fade, man, into, almost like it's a sunset colorway. Like how everything is going from that orange, and then it's like a slightly darker burnt kind of orange as it fades into the pink and everything here. And then you go around and it does like the reverse and everything like that. And then the outline here is like a yellowish kind of color, almost a green at certain lights. You know what I mean? And then I like how this fades as well. The midsole fades into different colors as well. I think that's a very nice touch. And then, fading around back here. Let me not skip the fact that it comes with the extra green laces in case you want to switch out and put these laces in. It does come with the green laces here. All right. And then on the front there, also, you have that 21 right there. All right. And then the LeBron signature here in the front. And then at the end of the lace tips, you have pink lace tips there. All right. Take the shoe tree out. You got your Lion King shoe tree. All right. Typical LeBron stuff. And then you have the LeBron signature with the 4 rings on the inside there. The 2 hands with the 4 rings. All right, let me see if I can get that properly. There you go. With the 4 rings on the inside there. Blue insole. All right, and you can see that the tongue has the breathable holes in there so that, your feet get sweaty when you're hooping. You got some breathability there. You can see it from the inside. That's how I caught it, was that light from the inside showed some of the air back in there. All right. And then looks like it's a quilted tongue. Oh, look at the quilted tongue on the back. Okay, so I like the tongues, the LeBron shoe lines have been known to have like terrible tongues. And I know that sounds crazy. Pause if applicable. But the ones on the 21 and the 20 and the 21, they both had good, comfortable tongues, all right, on the shoes, all right. But here we are on the bottoms, all right, and these glow in the dark, all right. Here is the LeBron logo there in the middle, and then you can see all of the different logos and designs and everything going around the bottom of the shoe. All right. I think these are absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and pull out the right boy and see if there's any differences. Oh, yeah. Right.
Oh, my God.
Shoe second. Woo. Man, look at the right. Almost like the right more. Almost like the right more. Let's look at them together. Man, look at that. They are completely different. It's a completely different shoe, man. Wow. This is the first time I pulled the right out. I didn't pull the right out and get a sneak peek. I did look at this ahead of time, but The right one, wow, with the green. Wow, fading into the blue. Got a slightly lighter blue, and then it fades into that darker blue going all the way around. The tongues are the same. All right. The laces are the same. All right. But going around with that green hit and the orange that pops out. 21 again on the back, of course. Oh, fumble! Recovered. And then we got the hands again with the rings. All right. And then the pink insole. All right. Size tag there, size 13 and a half. And then the quilted tongue, man. That's a nice touch. That's a nice touch. Go down to the midsole. Purple. Both of them have purple on the back. So purple at the back, but this one fades into that pink and then the orange. All right. And then from that orange back into that pink and purplish blue. All right. And then on the back, you got a bunch of different colors of the rope going around. I think that's a nice touch. And then if you lift this up, it says established 1984. That's what is written underneath there. Established 1984. And that's going to be the same on both shoes. All right. Now, as I mentioned before, I would recommend going with your true size on these bad boys, man. I would say go and get a true size. Thankfully, when they release these LeBrons, they do release these in my true size, and I am grateful for Nike for doing that. Every new LeBron 21 that I've seen has released in the unicorn size 13 and a half. That is something that I wish that the Jordan brand would do. That's something that I wish that a lot of other brands would do, is release in a 13 and a half. But Jordan brand does not do that all the time. I think I have one pair of Jordans that's a size 13 and a half. Maybe two. But every new LeBron release, they release them in this one, in a 13 and a half. And that's my true size. Absolutely perfect. Look at that, man. Very nice. I like the difference in colors. Orange on the bottom of the right and green bottoms on the bottom of the left shoe. Once again, here's a look at them side by side. All right. LeBron's signature on each tongue. Here's a look at them from this angle on these sides of the shoe. All right. And then from the back going around. All right. And then from the outsides of the shoe. Look at the transition of the colors. That's very nice, man. Can't beat that. I think these are a very dope shoe. If you're interested, if you were on the fence, you're like, man, I wonder if I should cop those. You should. You should definitely cop these. I think the LeBron 21, along with the LeBron 20, are one of his better shoes, man. I think these, to me, LeBron 20s, LeBron 21s, in my opinion, I think these rank up high in the LeBron lineup. They're very comfortable shoes. I think they're very wearable. You could probably rock these with jeans, even if you don't want to just hoop. A lot of the LeBrons have been strictly hoop shoes. I'm not going to lie about it. It's hard to kind of pull them off casually. But these being low tops and having just a different kind of look, they don't look like they have to be strictly basketball shoes. Like, yes, you are going to hoop in them, but you don't have to only wear, as far as comfort wise and everything. Because I know with the LeBron 17s, 18s. Here's the 18s right here. With the 18s, like, I tried to wear these casually a few times with some sweats and stuff like that. And you can wear them with sweats if you're just chilling. But to me, this isn't the same kind of shoe like this one. I feel like this is a more wearable, casual kind of shoe in comparison to something like this in the 18. All right. This just it even feels a little bit more bulky. Not that there's anything wrong with the 18s, but it feels like it's more bulkier than something like this. You know what I mean? So if you were on the fence and you were thinking about, man, should I go ahead and get me some of these LeBron 21s, especially in this Optimism, this multi-color colorway of this shoe? Yes. Yes. These are so nice. I got the right boy in my hand and just staring at it. Like, I like how that switches up, man. These are definitely dope. Go true to size on these bad boys. Once again, go true to size. Anyway, these shoes do once again glow in the dark. I tried to show that, but as soon as it showed it initially, the swoosh, but then I turned the bottoms and the green pops, but the orange doesn't pop as bright glowing in the dark. So it didn't reflect as well, but they definitely do glow in the dark in person. Just take my word for it. They do glow in the dark. All right. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.